In this video, I'll be talking about what are notes receivable. So let's get started. Now, notes receivable are a type of asset that represents a formal promise of payment from a customer or borrower. It's essentially a written agreement where one party, for example, the borrower, promises to pay a specific amount of money to the other party, which is basically the lender, on a specified date. So it's basically borrowing money from someone, and it's a contract that has a given date by what you have to pay the money back. Now, how do note receivable work? So a note receivable is typically created when a customer agrees to pay for goods or services over an extended period. This is often done through a formal written agreement known as a promissory note. Now, notes receivable often include interest, which is charged on the outstanding balance of the note. The note will specify a maturity date, which is the date on which the principal amount and any incurred interest must be paid. Now, you might be wondering, why are notes receivable even important? So let me go ahead and write down the reasons. The first one is formalized agreement. Formalized agreement. So, notes receivables provide a formal legal document that outlines the terms of the loan or credit agreement. Then we have interest income. So, by charging interest on notes receivable, businesses can generate additional income. And lastly, we have improved cash flow. So, while notes receivable may not be immediately converted to cash, they can help to improve a company's cash flow by extending payment terms for customers. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at some key considerations for note receivable. The first one is credit risk. So there's always a risk that a borrower may default on the note, leading to potential losses. Then we have interest rates. So the interest rate changed on the note can impact the overall return on the investment. And then we have maturity date. So the maturity date of the note will determine when the principal and interests are due. So basically, if it's too long, then obviously you're gonna receive the money late. So that's basically everything you need to know about notes receivable. So I hope this video helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.